Expedition Standard delivers a truly integrated design process from schematic capture through manufacturing. Our constraint-driven approach ensures design integrity at every stage, with rules defined early and enforced throughout the process. This integration eliminates the disconnects that often occur between different stages of PCB design. A critical aspect of our integrated approach is the seamless data continuity between every stage of the design process, including schematic, layout, analysis, and more. Synchronized design data enables bidirectional cross-probing, dramatically reducing translation errors and verification time. For example, you can select a schematic component and immediately cross-probe to it in the layout view. Finding and organizing components in complex designs is streamlined through our powerful filtering and search capabilities. I can quickly locate all power components, search for specific references, or organize components by function. This organization extends across the entire design process, ensuring consistency from schematic through to manufacturing. Strategic component placement is critical for performance. Our planning group's functionality allows you to create logical groups of components, create memory group, and position them together near related components like this processor. This approach optimizes signal paths, thermal management, and overall board performance while maintaining design rule compliance throughout the process. Our integrated process maximizes efficiency through physical design reuse circuits, or PHRCs. I can select proven circuit patterns, select circuit, and reuse them across multiple designs and teams. PHRCs are native design objects that maintain dynamic net propagation from the parent netlist, allowing for rapid engineering changes without netlist modifications. When updates are needed, I simply modify the golden source, and with just one click, all instances update automatically. This non-invasive approach ensures consistency, dramatically reduces errors, and accelerates the design process. Our customers report significant time savings through effective reuse of these verified circuit blocks. As the design progresses, we can switch between 2D and 3D visualization with real-time updates. Simply toggle to 3D mode, switch views to visualize your board, to digitally identify and resolve problems that might not be apparent in 2D, reducing costly physical prototype iterations. Our clearance and collision detection tools automatically flag potential problems throughout the design process. Notice how the system highlights interference between a component and another part or enclosure. This early detection capability saves thousands in prototype revisions and ensures your design will physically work as intended when manufactured. The integrated process extends beyond electrical design through our mechanical CAD integration, creating a seamless collaboration channel between electrical and mechanical teams. Quickly synchronize design changes, ensuring the PCB fits perfectly within mechanical constraints while maintaining electrical performance. Routing within our integrated environment combines precision with productivity. When routing manually, the system provides real-time constraint validation. Notice how it highlights any violations instantly, ensuring signal integrity and manufacturing requirements are maintained throughout the routing process. For more complex routing challenges, our auto-active routing technology dramatically accelerates the process. The system intelligently completes these connections while respecting all design constraints. This automation maintains the same quality standard as manual routing, but completes in a fraction of the time, helping you meet tight deadlines without sacrificing performance and quality. Power and ground distribution is optimized through dynamic planes. These planes automatically prevent copper islands and provide self-healing capabilities when design changes occur. Need to move a connected component? The plane instantly adapts, maintaining optimal electrical properties. This automation ensures consistent power delivery throughout your design without tedious manual editing. As the design nears completion, our integrated process includes comprehensive DFM checking with PCB flow powered with industry-leading Valor technology. This analysis verifies your design against manufacturing requirements before handoff, dramatically increasing first-pass yield and preventing costly revisions. Issues are clearly identified and can be addressed while still in the design environment. The final stage of our integrated process creates all necessary manufacturing outputs with just a few clicks. The system generates a comprehensive package including Gerbers, drill files, assembly drawings, and pick-and-place data. This standardized approach ensures your manufacturing partners have everything they need, eliminating the costly back and forth that often delays production. This seamless integration from schematic through manufacturing delivers measurable business benefits with faster design cycles, fewer design iterations, and significantly improved first-pass yield. By maintaining design integrity throughout the entire process, Expedition Standard helps you create better products faster, with fewer errors and at lower cost.